Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. Now we are at the final part of the subseries, and in this video we will see how to show the view dynamically. So here we will place 3 button controls, and on click of each button we will access the ActiveViewIndex and show a specific view. So if you see, since we have 3 view, by setting the ActiveIndex property to 0, 1 and 2, we show a specific a set of controls in the browser. So the code is simple, so we will directly go to the demo. So if you see here, we have a MultiView control, right? And we have 3 views inside the MultiView control, and outside the MultiView control we will place 3 button controls in it. So here you can see the button controls, right? After the MultiView we place a BR. After that, this is the first button and we are naming it as btn name, and text we are providing it as name. Then likewise we add 2 more button, one is contact and another one is notes, or we can name it as free text. So in the design view you can see we have 3 buttons added here, and you can also see how our multi-view control is drag and dropped with the controls, right? This is PC gen info, and this is person contact info, and this is free text, right? Inside we placed multiple controls, and outside the multi-view control we placed 3 buttons as well, and this is person name and person contact info and notes. So there are 3 buttons, and by looking at the property you can see that we specify the name for our ID for each button. So that's a btn name, and here it is btn contact and btn free text. So we will handle the click event for each. You can also double click. So now we have 3 handler function. So when the user clicks those button, we will set the ActiveIndex property for our multi-view control. So that's all. We are setting the multi-view index as 0, 1, 2, and when you run this in a browser you will see the corresponding views are displayed on click of the buttons. So by default it is displaying the 3rd button, right? So we will, the 3rd view. We can change that. We will pick the multi-view control and choose properties, and present in event view. Active index is 2, right? We will set it as 0 so that the first information will be shown. Maybe you can use a label control in the top to tell that the first page is a person info page. Here we have a label and text, right? In the top, maybe you can have a H1 element which talks about what page currently you are in. Alright. Now let's go to contact, and it will show the contact. When I click notes, we will see the notes for the person. So likewise, you can switch between the different views using the multi-view control. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.